Ukraine can create their own no-fly zone if they have certain equipment and weapons, and this weapon system could really help. It is called the S-300 PS Mobile Surface-to-Air Missile Defense System. According to experts say this is a Soviet-era system, a competitor to the American Patriot system. Some of the more common models of S-300s carry a 293-pound warhead. They have a range of 46 miles, and here is the key capability. They can strike targets at altitudes of up to 82,000 feet. Stingers and other surface-to-air missiles cannot hit targets that high. The Stinger can travel only 5 miles and hit targets at 12,000 feet. Now, missile experts say that the S-300s can hit fighter jets, other aircraft, and they can strike some incoming Russian missiles like the Caliber cruise missiles that Russia produces, but not ballistic missiles like Russia's Iskander missiles. One important note, if more S-300s are given to Ukraine, they would come from Slovakia, according to 3 sources familiar with the matter who spoke to CNN. They say that Slovakia, a NATO ally of the U.S., has preliminarily agreed to provide Ukraine with this defense system. But first, Slovakia wants assurances that it can get replacement systems immediately, Wolf. They're looking for maybe the Patriot system to backfill for Slovakia in case they do give those S-300s to Ukraine.
So, Brian, what are the downsides potentially of Ukraine getting more of these air defense missile systems?
They're not foolproof, of course, Wolf, in war. One expert we spoke to says the system could become targets themselves when they're deployed on the ground. The Russians could knock some of them out. Some of the less experienced Ukrainian recruits would have to be trained in how to operate the S-300. But this expert also says if the Ukrainians can get more of these into their hands, properly operate them, they can make a significant difference in protecting Ukrainian civilian lives. And, Wolf, it's going to be one more weapon that the Russian pilots and missile battery operators have to worry about, in addition to the Stingers and the Javelins that have been so effective already for the Ukrainians on the battlefield.